Welcome! Sitting at a desk all day doesn't mean you can't stay active. In today's video, we'll share practical tips and easy exercises to help you keep moving and stay fit even while working a desk job. Let's get started. Maintaining an active lifestyle while working a desk job can be challenging due to the sedentary nature of the work environment. Sitting for long periods can lead to various health issues, including back pain, poor posture, and increased risk of chronic conditions such as cardiovascular disease and obesity. However, with a few strategic adjustments and habits, you can stay active and healthy even while working at a desk. This comprehensive guide will explore various ways to incorporate movement into your daily routine, helping you enhance your physical health, improve your productivity, and achieve a better work-life balance. 1. Incorporate movement breaks. One of the simplest and most effective ways to stay active while working at a desk is to incorporate regular movement breaks into your schedule. Sitting for extended periods can lead to poor circulation and muscle stiffness, so it's essential to take breaks and move around throughout the day. Set a timer to remind yourself to stand up and stretch or walk around every 30 to 60 minutes. Use these breaks to perform light exercises, such as marching in place, stretching your arms and legs, or doing a few jumping jacks. Incorporating these short bursts of activity can help alleviate tension and keep your body engaged. 2. Desk exercises. Desk exercises are a convenient way to stay active without leaving your workspace. These exercises can help reduce muscle stiffness and improve circulation, making them ideal for office environments. Some effective desk exercises include seated leg lifts, where you lift one leg at a time while seated, seated marches, which involve lifting your knees as if marching in place, and seated torso twists, where you rotate your upper body to the left and right. These exercises can be performed discreetly and help maintain flexibility and strength throughout the day. 3. Use a standing desk. A standing desk can be a game changer for those who spend long hours at a desk. By allowing you to alternate between sitting and standing, a standing desk helps reduce the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Many modern offices now offer adjustable standing desks or desk converters that can elevate your workstation to a standing height. When using a standing desk, ensure that your monitor is at eye level, your keyboard is at a comfortable height, and you use a footrest or anti-fatigue mat to reduce pressure on your legs and feet. 4. Walk or cycle to work. Incorporating walking or cycling into your daily commute is an excellent way to stay active and start your day on a positive note. If you live close to your workplace, consider walking or cycling to work instead of driving or taking public transportation. This not only adds physical activity to your routine, but also helps clear your mind and reduce stress before you begin your workday. If walking or cycling the entire distance is not feasible, try parking further away from your office or getting off the bus or train a few stops early to add extra steps to your commute. 5. Join office fitness challenges. Participating in office fitness challenges can provide motivation and encouragement to stay active. Many companies organize fitness challenges or wellness programs that involve tracking physical activity, setting fitness goals, and competing with colleagues. These challenges can be a fun way to engage with coworkers, stay accountable, and achieve your fitness goals. Look for opportunities to join team-based challenges or wellness programs that promote physical activity and healthy habits within your workplace. 6. Utilize break times for exercise. Make the most of your break times by incorporating exercise into your daily routine. Use your lunch break or other breaks to engage in physical activity, such as going for a brisk walk, visiting the gym, or attending a fitness class. Even a short 10 to 15-minute workout can have significant benefits for your physical and mental well-being. Consider activities like yoga, stretching, or bodyweight exercises that can be performed quickly and effectively. Scheduling regular exercise during your breaks helps maintain energy levels and reduces stress. 7. Create an ergonomic workspace. An ergonomic workspace is essential for maintaining good posture and reducing physical strain while working at a desk. Adjust your chair, desk, and computer monitor to ensure that your workspace supports a comfortable and healthy sitting position. Your chair should provide proper lumbar support, allowing you to sit with your feet flat on the floor and your knees at a 90-degree angle. Your desk should be at a height that allows your elbows to be at a 90-degree angle when typing, and your monitor should be positioned at eye level to prevent neck strain. 8. Engage in active meetings. Meetings don't have to be sedentary. Incorporate movement into your meetings by holding standing or walking meetings. Standing meetings encourage participants to remain active and engaged, while walking meetings provide an opportunity for light exercise and brainstorming. If walking meetings are not feasible, use standing desks or incorporate short movement breaks during the meeting. Encouraging active meetings not only promotes physical activity, but also fosters creativity and productivity among team members. 9. Practice stretching and mobility exercises. Incorporating stretching and mobility exercises into your daily routine can help alleviate muscle tension and improve flexibility. Simple stretches such as neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and wrist stretches can be performed at your desk. Additionally, consider practicing mobility exercises like seated spinal twists or standing hamstring stretches to maintain flexibility and reduce stiffness. Regular stretching and mobility exercises can help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and improve overall comfort. 10. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can also encourage physical activity. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps maintain energy levels, supports bodily functions, and aids in digestion. Additionally, taking frequent trips to refill your water bottle or use the restroom provides an opportunity to move around and break up long periods of sitting. Keep a water bottle at your desk and set reminders to drink regularly to stay hydrated and active. Conclusion: staying active while working a desk job requires intentional effort and incorporating physical activity into your daily routine. By taking regular movement breaks, performing desk exercises, using a standing desk, and engaging in active commuting and meetings, you can mitigate the negative effects of prolonged sitting and improve your overall health. Creating an ergonomic workspace, participating in office fitness challenges, and practicing stretching and mobility exercises further enhance your well-being. Remember to stay hydrated and use every opportunity to move throughout the day. By making these small changes and adopting an active lifestyle, you can enjoy better physical health, increased energy levels, and improved productivity while working at a desk. Thanks for watching. If these tips help you stay active at your desk, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Share your own desk exercise ideas or questions in the comments below. See you next time.